Hey, Cam Jennings here. I have something really interesting I need to tell you about. On behalf of myself and my two colleagues, Jorge and Sid, I want to talk to you about one of the biggest problems online facing all of us right now. It spans all niches and affects everybody trying to do effective email marketing. And that is the problem of deliverability. People not even seeing your carefully crafted email messages. And those subscribers signed up to receive your messages. It's outrageous, it affects us all, but now it's something we can fix. Oh, by the way, if you're out there right now and you're thinking, I don't even have a list yet, listen, keep listening because we're going to fix that problem for you too. But first, I want to talk more about this deliverability problem and how we're going to help you solve it. Because better email deliverability is going to help your business a lot. The software that I want you to seriously consider is called Inbox Equalizer. Now, you might notice that the box cover says, send a perfect email every time. This software has a three-pronged strategy for making your emails the best version of themselves so that you are not triggering algorithms to send your messages to spam. But what are these three prongs? What is this strategy that is going to help your deliverability so much? First, Inbox Equalizer fixes your subject lines to make them compliant with the major EMS algorithms. It does this by analyzing and grading your existing subject line and then making recommendations so that you can get it just right. Second, Inbox Equalizer analyzes your actual email copy and points out potential problematic phrases, words, symbols, or anything else that might trigger the EMS algorithms to send your messages to spam. And third, Inbox Equalizer has a built-in database of swipe files so that even if you are new or not feeling very creative, Inbox Equalizer will help give you a head start with a proven subject line and email for you to tweak as you see fit. There is nothing on the market like this today, and to be honest with you, it's a massive game changer. Inbox Equalizer's three-pronged strategy is going to help you write better emails that don't land your messages in promotion tabs and spam boxes. This is going to get more eyeballs on your emails, but also, as you land in more inboxes, it's going to increase your reputation with the email service providers. And ultimately, it's going to make you more money from sales through email. Because at the end of the day, no matter how much you might want to help people, your business needs to make money. Higher email open rates and deliverability can help you make that happen. Now, about you folks who don't have an email list yet, Inbox Equalizer comes with some really excellent training that is going to teach you several proven methods of list building that will get you started quickly and effectively. On top of that, there is training in there on email marketing as well. So as good as Inbox Equalizer is, this training has been included to make you and the software even better. I want you to invest in this software today because as a professional email marketer who has made hundreds of thousands of dollars online with email, I know this software will help you. And yes, that is a bold statement in a world of garbage softwares and useless training that look more like dumpster fires than solutions. But this is the truth. That's my profile on a platform that I promote and sell on. As you can see, I'm an elite vendor, and as you can see, I have over 10,000 sales. But underneath that 10,000 sales, I want you to see that 4.5 star rating, okay? I am an honorable vendor, I am an ethical vendor, and I will not sell you crap. This is an amazing piece of software. I have the proof of my record to back it up. When you pick up Inbox Equalizer today, you're going to be getting instant access to the powerful Inbox Equalizer software and a strategic three-pronged attack so you can effortlessly create better and more compliant emails in mere moments. High quality training provided on just how to build an efficient email list quickly so that even if you are new, you can take advantage of this game-changing tool. Inbox Equalizer's unique color-coded subject line rating system so that you can get your subject line graded in real time and be told exactly what to do to fix them. Inbox Equalizer's distinctive content fixer technology so that you can find out exactly what needs changed in your emails and have it changed for you with the touch of a button. Inbox Equalizer's built-in swipe file database, complete with 1,000 proven subject lines and 100 proven email swipes, spanning 10 different niches, all customizable, all ready to rock and roll so that it's even easier to get your perfect emails out to your list, and lifetime access to all of it. That's right, no monthly fees on this one-of-a-kind software. But we're not stopping there. Bonus number 1, we're also going to reveal my new online wealth formula, which will show you exactly how to access over 11 million visitors a month. Not only that, but you're going to discover how to start a blog, a podcast, and an email list for free. This is a special training that retails for $47 alone. However, when you invest in the Inbox Equalizer today, this special training is included with your purchase as a unique and congruent bonus. Another way of us saying thank you for your investment. With Inbox Equalizer, no more slogging for hours at the keyboard trying to write the perfect email, wondering why your messages are ending up in the spam folder constantly. Forget sitting around like a big old loser, unable to build a responsive email list. Those days are over. Plus, bonus number 2, my friend, there is no greater lead in the world than the coveted buyer email lead. It is the holy grail of email marketing. With this 6-part video training called Lion Leads, Sid Red is going to expose the exact way that you can start building your coveted email list of white hot buyers leads. Be sure to turn off all notifications and distractions and take notes while watching the videos. Putting into practice what you've learned here will be well worth your time and attention. Time to drop all the guesswork you put into figuring out what those nasty little algorithms want in your emails to land in the highly desirable inbox. Those algorithms are about to bow down to your greatness. Never again will you question how to fix your email copy. Your days of being confused and unsure are through. Plus, bonus number 3, Jorge is going to teach you how to master YouTube with one of the best online video tools out there. Sharpen your accuracy and save your time. The title, the description, and the meta tags are some of the most important things to take care of when you're uploading a new video to your channel. Jacking Master is going to help you get the perfect combination of these each and every time. Get the most out of your uploads with this top-notch system to explode the SEO reach of your videos. You've stared at your last empty page with the bitter taste of writer's block breathing down your neck like some fire-breathing dragon come to torch you to a crisp. Now it's time to start building healthy, highly responsive, seriously engaged email lists. Just like the pros do, this is the great equalizer, the essential tool that's going to level the playing field for you. Not only that, but we have also taken the liberty of removing all the risk for you. That's right. Use the Inbox Equalizer software and training for 60 days as taught, and if you do not see results, contact us for a full refund. All that we ask is that you have actually used the training and software as directed. Look, I'm so confident in this product that if you don't find it to be amazing, you're not 100% satisfied with your results after spending 60 days with it, then we will gladly refund your money. Invest with confidence. The software is groundbreaking. The training is awesome. The bonuses are stacked and the guarantee is amazing. This is cloud-based, so you can use it with any computer, even mobile devices. We could have charged $197 for this software and probably should have. We could have charged a monthly recurring fee to access this cloud-based software and probably should have. We could have done a lot of things, but that's not how we wanted to approach this. It's important that Inbox Equalizer gets into the hands of anybody who wants to be a better email marketer. So not $197, not $97, not 67, not even 47, and yeah, that was a tough one to let go of, but we did it, and you are going to get Inbox Equalizer for the low price that you see below. We are experimenting with our price structure. I cannot promise how long it will remain that price. What I can tell you is that we are launching it at an unheard of $17 for the first 4 days. It's a launch week special. After that, we will raise the price to $27 for a bit as we test our prices. But the bottom line is, the absolute best thing you can do when it comes to a rock bottom price is to not hesitate and invest in Inbox Equalizer today. Initiate the Inbox Equalizer and I'll see you inside. Wait, are you still here? Well, you know, I've run out of black slides and I'm down to not so funny dad jokes, so the hour is getting late, my friend. But listen, I understand what it is to be on the fence with something. After all, we've all been burned by those crazy online schemes or the many trash pile softwares out there that just do not deliver. I get it. However, my friend, the fact of the matter is, you are standing at a crossroads right now. A choice lies before you. Down one path, you leave this page and forget you ever learned about Inbox Equalizer and the power it can give you. Life goes on the way it has gone. Your email marketing is still lackluster and you still continue to get the same poor results in the inbox. You know what lies down that road. You've been there before. I suppose there is a comfort in the familiar, but that's not what you want. It's the hollow compromise that grips so many people. My friend, there is another path, a better new way. You can invest in this groundbreaking software today. Take advantage of this amazing offer with all of its tech power and training and bonuses and guarantee, and you can finally start seeing success like all of the professionals out there, like all the gurus and the videos and courses you watch. It's time for the new path, my friend. Let's do this. Access Inbox Equalizer and we'll see you inside.